So continuing, from where we stopped, um, we have done up to Jupiter. So let me pick, the other assets and all. Batch 3, After Effects, solar system, assets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Next planet is Saturn. So what I do, I'm just picking the Saturn here. Okay, there is Saturn and Saturn ring. Both are there. I'm just selecting this. I import this in here. So first thing, let me have Saturn here. Okay, and effect perspective, CC sphere. We have the Saturn here. So convert this into 3D layer. What I'd like to do is, let me add Saturn ring as well. Okay, this is a Saturn ring. Okay, and for Saturn ring also, I'll add CC sphere. Then let me scale this a bit. Overall, see, Saturn ring I'm scaling. After that, I'll turn off this, link, constraint proportion link, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, anyhow, I need to convert this into 3D as well. X, Y, Z. Okay, y-axis, I'm gonna reduce it like this. Okay, then overall, I'm gonna scale this a bit more. So currently it is looking, able to achieve something like this. So if you see, so let's see, Saturn is somewhere, it's like this. Okay, so Saturn ring. Saturn ring. So I'll just do a bit of color correction. So I'll go to effects, color correction, go to curves. Normally in Photoshop you have curves. It is the same way here also. Let me increase the bit brightness of this. I can increase bit red tint of this. Okay, it's here like this. So now what I do, this and this both. Okay. Let me animate this one first, the Saturn part here. Go to window, FX control, click on FX control. I did close it earlier, so I'm just checking this. So rotation, Y key. Rotation Y, and I'll come here. A bit. Okay, only one axis. I think that's okay. Now coming to Saturn ring also. So let's not rotate this ring, let it be. Okay, only for the ring part. So I'm selecting Saturn ring and the Saturn part. Okay, so Control Shift C. Control Shift C is for pre-compose. So I name this as Saturn. I name this as Saturn. Again, this is a 3D layer. So coming to position part, this has to go back. Okay. So I'm just placing this even more here. Okay. So here one additional thing I'll show you. Here we are in one view, right? In this particular area, one view is there. I can change this into two views. Okay. So this is our regular view. And here, if you see, this is horizontal view wherein you can see all these are layers. See, this is Jupiter, this is Mars, this is Earth, like that. Now this is Saturn, right? This is the placement here. Okay. Z axis, we can even just push it from here. You can push it back further, and with this we can move here and move it here and there. So let me take this Jupiter. So I'm just adding bit space here. Earth towards left a bit. Mars. Okay, so after this, after Saturn, it is Neptune. Let's take Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. It is Uranus. So bring this Uranus here on top of the Saturn. So first thing in this view, effect, perspective, CC sphere, or Uranus is here. I enable this into 3D layer. Okay, so Uranus is here. So what we can do is, it's here. You can move this Uranus just behind. Like this. Then after that, I can move it somewhere here. Okay, so after Uranus, let's pick Neptune. Placement, it matters a lot. Neptune is here. They have to be in project. Neptune on top. Go to effect. So whatever the recent effects or tools, whatever has been taken, that will be listed over here. This is Neptune 3D. Convert this into 3D. This is how you can do the placement here as well. And Neptune seems to be, a bit smaller. And Uranus also seems a bit smaller. Neptune even smaller, and it is a little bit far. So I'm back to single view now. Okay, this is how we have created. Now the placement is all done. Okay. The next thing is camera. This is very important. How to set up a 3D camera, how to create a camera, and how to animate the camera. So now go to new. How do you select that? Just click on this, means you have to be in this particular window. Right click, new camera. There's an option, new camera. So I pick a camera here. There are so many presets here, 15 mm, 20 mm, 24, 35, 50. So I'll pick some 35 mm camera. Okay, the camera is placed here. Now once we pick a camera, now we are looking through a camera. In this case, let's be in this view, two view. You get to see where is our camera. This is our camera. Okay. So now the camera, just do the placement like this. You can see how does it look when I animate the camera here. My camera is here. So first thing, so let you be here in this particular position. So placement of camera should be here. Zoom a bit. Okay, our first shot will be something like this. Okay. So what I do, I have selected the camera, press P for position, key. Okay. First time you do, then now let's say I'm in 2 seconds. For 2 seconds, move this, not like this. You need to select any one of the pivot, then you start moving. Select this, then you start moving. Click this axis, then you start moving. For 2 seconds, it's like this. Then for 6 seconds, I select this. It's like this. Okay. Then for 10 seconds, Then after this, for 12 seconds, let me go towards Mars. Then for 16 seconds, let me go towards right a bit. Then for 18 seconds, and for 20 seconds, I think up to here is fine for me. So very carefully, we have to do this animation, otherwise we'll not get a proper animation. So if you can see, this is how we have done the animation part. Okay. Now, if I select the camera, this is how the animation which we have done. Okay. So now, if I play, see camera, okay, what I do for time being, I make this into quarter resolution so that at least, smooth animation which you can see. Able to see the animation here, how we have done? This is the sort of animation which we have done. So then what I do, I think camera animation part we have done. I'll just go to single view here now. The universe, I want to look it bit better. So this is a universe image which I have locked. I'm gonna duplicate one more this. Okay. The universe. I'm gonna scale a bit. Okay. Then I'll add a transparency for this. Bit of transparency. Then what I do, or else, I have another option wherein I can go to some effect, generate. Something light burst and all. Cannot require CC. This we'll see later. Okay. For time being, I'll just make it full only. For this, effect. So there are so many options which we have in this. It is in generate, advanced lighting, light sweep. So not required. So just select this. Let me add bit glow. Okay, then what I'm doing here is, let me, anyhow, these movements are happening. Okay, along with this, let me rotate this also. This looks good. When I do for rotation here, from here to here, so something like this. Then scale, let me go for scale. S here. Okay, it's like this. Okay, even the universe also, it's, it seems like it is moving. Okay, any doubts up to here? Understood? Then what I do, here, I'll go to YouTube. Okay, in YouTube, I'm just picking, dust or smoke green screen. Go for smoke green screen. Look for something, which is better. Or dust, let's see. Okay, we have this dust or particle. let me check this, how this looks. Okay, I think this is fine. So what I do, I'll pick this, I'll copy this and go to save from net. You can type save from net. Click on this link, paste here, download. So you can download. Okay, I got it. Means I'm able to download half HT1. So I download in desktop. Okay. Go to desktop. This is another technique which I'm showing. Okay. Anyhow, the detail work of this one, I'll show you separately later. So anyhow, you have to copy this in the assets folder. Now copy, drag and drop into asset, into AE. After Effects, just drag and drop here. Now what I do, I'll be, placing this particular footage on top of this. Okay. On top, like, let's say behind camera, just behind camera. And this one, I'm gonna remove green color. How do I do that? I'll just show you one technique. So in detail of this, we will be seeing in the coming classes. Just select this footage, green screen footage. Go to FX. There's an option called keying, Keying, keying. In this key light, Keylight, key light 1.2. Click on this. Click on this. For this green screen footage, I have added this tool, means this one. So here, screen color black is the right. In this, there is an eyedropper tool. Pick this eyedropper tool and click on green color. Now what happens? Green color has been eliminated. We have taken it out. But if you see the particle movements and all, for example, there's an option here, one small dot, like this is called solo. If I click on solo, you can see this animation here. Okay, for time being, what I do, let me add a black solid, new solid, black color. I would like to place this black solid somewhere in the bottom behind Galaxy. Then I will convert a green screen into solo. And I turn on black solid. This is how it looks. So when you play, this is what you see. Okay, this movements also will be there. Okay, it looks good. Then what I do, I turn off this solo. So I'm able to see that effects and all. When you play, you can see that. Okay. Then I'm going to duplicate this and I'm going to place it here. Again, I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to place it here. Okay. It's like this. If you can see, if you just those movements, animation, those things are happening. Okay. So similarly, you can add bit smoke also if you want. For example, I'll come over here. I'll just go for smoke. Okay, I'll take this. I'll copy this. And here I'll be adding another link, download. Smoke green screen, I'm downloading. I would like to save it here. Then I'll go to desktop. Is it still downloading? Yeah, it is still downloading. That's 12 MB. Let it download fully. Seems done. Now this I cut and I paste in assets folder. Then later I'll be back to project area. Then I'll be bringing this smoke green screen into After Effects. Then this smoke green screen, what I do, I would like to place behind camera. Okay, then I'll see the, okay, Control Shift D. I'm gonna cut this area. Okay, we have smoke, enough smoke here. I think this is okay. I'm selecting this. So again, select this footage, go to FX, keying, key light, pick this eyedropper tool, click on the green color. That's gone. Now you see smoke here, like this, lot of smoke. So what I would like to do is, I'm gonna scale this a bit and position x-axis, y-axis. Let me bring it up to here. And opacity, I would like to reduce opacity. Okay. So what happens now? When you play, see, you have smoke also here, right? You have this effect also. Then what I do, I'm gonna duplicate this layer and I select this, I go for solo. Simple, what I do is I reverse this so that you have smoke on top also. Then position P, y-axis, let me bring it bit down. Okay. And later, when you see, this is how you get. Okay. I think opacity still, I think I would like to reduce so that I just want some movement to be seen. Okay. Something like this. Any doubts up to here? So we played with a lot of footages, and if I change this to full, this is how the quality looks. So you can even push this footages or planets a little bit far behind, like that also can be done. Okay. So any doubt? This is a cinematic compositing. Okay. Like this. Even we get footages, some asteroids or meteoroids to move, that also can be done. Lot of, for creativity, there's no stop. You can do many other things. Okay. After this, you can just render this, and after rendering, you can share me the output. Okay. Any doubts up to here? MD Kumalo. Okay, and this particular work, it is really interesting. You can create lot many things in this. Okay. So if you see the layer working part, so this is how we have done. Okay, shortcut for this is, above tab, there is a symbol button. Click on this, press symbol, you can go to, you can extend that area. Okay. So try completing this. Okay. And share me the output by, before next class. Okay. Make sure camera animation is proper. You have to do camera animation very nicely. Okay. Done. So reach out to me if you have any doubts, if you need any clarification. I think there's some issue with Bayanda. He is not able to join. Anyhow, let him refer to the class video and he can do the work. Okay, then guys, I'll upload this video in YouTube and I'll share you the link in WhatsApp. Okay. We'll see you in the next class. Okay, take care. Bye-bye. Bye.